The bevel tool is super important in making your model look awesome. You can use it to soften corners or reshape your model. Let's start by adding a bevel to chamfer some of the areas of this robot. Select the edges that you want to bevel. Press Ctrl B, move your mouse out, and left click to finalize the bevel. To round out the bevel, press Ctrl B, then use your scroll wheel to adjust how many segments it creates. To change the profile of the bevel, press Ctrl B, then P for profile, and move your mouse until you get the profile that you're looking for. You can also bevel vertices by pressing Ctrl B, then V for vertex, and use your scroll wheel to adjust the segments. These options are also found in the tool menu in the bottom left of the viewport. You can customize the profile using the tool menu in the bottom left. Bevel is a great way to add detail and soften the edges of your model.